Let me tell you something about YouTube. You don't always need to show your face to make money. A lot of YouTube channels for kids, for example, are making lots of money with just songs, videos, or animated stories, and so much more, all created with AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a faceless kids channel using Flova AI and exactly how to monetize it. So let's get started. Most people think, I don't want to start YouTube because I don't want to film myself or be on the camera. But the thing is, you don't always need to make the YouTube channel about you. There are plenty of YouTube channels, stories channels, educational channels, tutorials, kids channels, none that require showing your face. But it requires you to have a strategy in mind, a niche, and to be consistent with uploading content. So before creating a single video, you need to research your niche and decide on a topic for your channel. If you want different topics, you can start different channels later, but for now, focus on one topic. So before you start, you need to look for confirmation on YouTube. Are there similar channels in that niche that you want to start that are getting views, that are really searched for? Are they still uploading videos and they're doing really good? Are some of the recent videos getting consistent traffic? And is the content simple enough to reproduce? So for example, if you search toddler learning colors, kids bedtime stories, relaxing kids songs, or a sleep song for babies, you will see channels getting millions of views, which means that there is still demand. Now, the best part about this is that you don't need to wait for your channel to get monetized to actually make money, because you can monetize your channel even before that with affiliate links, brand deals, selling your own products, having your own website, and more. So for example, if you run a kids channel, you can personalize that and make it about a character. Then you can sell that character in kids' toys, kids' books, stories, on backpacks, create print-on-demand products with it, learning materials, educational tools, and more. And these are also products that you can recommend through affiliate links. Now let's talk content creation, because most people don't know which tools to use, and this is where Flova AI comes in. So Flova AI is basically a tool that helps you generate videos using AI. Instead of needing expensive software or complex animation skills, you can create videos much faster. It's perfect for faceless channels. So you can check it out at the link in the description and you can see exactly what the platform can do, but I will show you right now. So let's imagine we're starting a YouTube channel for toddlers education and songs and things like that. So first off, you go to Flova AI at the link below and you explore the video creation options, just so you know your options. So what you want to start with, because they have plenty of them. So you have music to video, you have dance flow, workflow, multi-cuts, so much more. You can see the models right here. So you have plenty for video as well. You can choose an element, so which element you want it to include. You can upload an image, so you can develop the video from that image, from the audio, from the video, or the text. And then you can go to Flova TV and see what people have generated. Let's create a new project to start, and you enter your message. I want to start a YouTube channel for toddlers with educational content. So it generates the creative brief for you. So as you can see, there's not much you need to do, just tell them 30 seconds, 45, you choose your length. I will choose 60 seconds, accept all, and then it starts generating. So again, all you need to do is tell it what you want to do. What educational topic would you need for the first video? So I will say learning colors. So it creates a storyboard, so it will show you the episode structure before actually starting to create the visuals. And it shows you this structure so you can make any adjustments before you actually generate the video, so you have the perfect final video for you. So you just need to wait for the storyboard to generate. You make any modifications you need and then you click generate and it will generate your video for you. Not only the visuals for it, but the sounds, the song, the music, and everything else. Flova AI does it all for you. So Flova AI works with credits, so you just purchase credits and then you spend them while you're creating your videos. So then you pick your content type. So as I said, toddler learning videos, and Flova AI even gives you ideas for different topics, for example, learning how to brush your teeth or learning colors. So you pick the ones you want. So it tells you exactly what it will do and everything else. So it tells you, I will animate the adventure using this, and I will do that with a little voice, and so much more. You need to choose. It even created a character for me. So which one of these 3 approaches? Execute the entire process at once. I'm just going to say this so I see what it generates. But again, you can choose the first one, which is pause at key checkpoints for your confirmation. So you'll be able to confirm if you like that or if you wanted to move forward and create the video. So it started production and is now generating visual assets. So how do you turn a Faceless Kids channel into a real brand? You do this by using a character for the channel. So the Barna Baby Bear, as Flova AI suggested, or you can choose a character such as, I don't know, Nina the Turtle, Sally the Hedgehog, Benny the Bear, Luna the Bunny, something really cute, easy for parents and kids to remember. This is really powerful because kids don't just watch TV shows, they don't just watch kids' songs and things like that. They connect with the character and they remember the character and, you know, keep asking their parents to play them songs with that character. So parents are also going to be like, hey, this is the little turtle channel that my kid likes, and will keep watching the videos, keep interacting with the brand, and even purchase products for your kid because they love the character so much. So this is exactly when your channel stops being just a channel and it becomes a brand. And this is where the monetization starts flowing and you'll be able to make more money. So you can do merch, as I said, do print on demand or do your own clothing, embroider hoodies for kids with your character. That can be a really strong product idea. A really good tip is to keep the content niched. So if you started a toddlers channel, make sure to keep it for toddlers. Educational stories, songs, and that's it. Don't also make it a baby sleep music channel. Make that on a separate channel if you like, but keep this one focused for toddlers, focused at toddlers. So with Flova AI, instead of spending days to edit a video for YouTube, you can generate multiple videos. And as you can see, it not only generates the video for you, but it gives you suggestions on what to do for your channel. So it is also a chat that you go back and forth with, and that will help you build your channel and your videos in general. So this can be used for any type of channel, any type of video creation that you want. It is not just for kids channels.
Hello little friends, I'm Barnaby. Today, let's play with colors. Look, red. Can you say red? A shiny red apple and a zoomy red fire engine. Next is blue. Wow! A flying blue bird and a big splashing blue whale. And here is yellow. So a bright yellow sun and a cute yellow.
Red, blue, and yellow. You did a great job. See you next time for more fun.
So before actually posting your videos that you generated with Flova AI to YouTube, you also need to do some research on keywords that are really strong. And even before you start creating your videos, take a look at the most popular videos on YouTube and try to do that in your own style for your channel. So for example, that's why I said if color videos are really popular on YouTube, try and use this character, this bear, for example, to point at colors, sing the colors, show them in different objects, different things with those colors. So make it around that character, but with that style and with the popular videos in mind. And make sure to use the right keywords in your titles, description, and tags. So if you want to try Flova AI, you get 200 free credits when you sign up. It is amazing for testing videos and different formats. A quick heads up, Scene Dance 2.0 is also launching in February, on February 24th, and they are opening a 48 hours free access event starting February 27th. So if you've been curious about the platform, now is the perfect time to start playing with it and see what you can create. If you want to experiment with faceless videos, Flova AI is the perfect place to start. So I will leave the link below. Let me know in the comments below if you would use Flova AI for a new YouTube channel. What channel would you choose? So the results that I got from Flova AI are really good. I'm so happy with it, and I might just create the channel that I've been putting off for so long right now because it is really just so easy to use, and I'm sure that kids will love it. So again, make sure to try it out and see for yourself if you enjoy creating videos with it as well. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!